I'd like to show you how to make a two-tone ribbon bow. If you'd like to pre-cut the ribbons and cross it back to front and side to side, you will need about 2 yards. If you have a roll of ribbon, cut it off at the end. This side is the front. Hold the 2 ribbons like this. Make a loop and a little longer tail with the right end ribbon. Keep this point, then release it. Place the point in the center of the box. Hold the point and wrap the ribbon around to the front. Cross the 2 ribbons at the bottom like this. Then wrap it around the back and go back up. At the center point, turn it corner to the left. Hold down the point tightly and wrap the ribbon to the left. Again, cross the 2 ribbons at the bottom like this. Then bring it back on top. Take the short end on the right across over the cross point and pass under it. Then pull it out towards the top right corner. Tie firmly in the center. Use the left side ribbon to make a loop towards the top right. Separate the 2 ribbons and squeeze the base of the loop. Wrap the short end ribbon over the loop. Fold the brown ribbon in half at the knot. Then push it into this hole and pull it out to the left. Pull both loops to tighten the knot. To tighten, pull out the top of the left loop and the bottom of the right loop. Separate the loops and the tails, then adjust it nicely. The bottom looks like this. Trim each tail. Now you have a two-tone ribbon bow. I hope you like it.